Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, reagency fix the file iTunes Library.itl cannot be read error in Windows. Open File Explorer, Music folder. Open iTunes folder. Simply delete iTunes Library.itl. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.